Astronomers just caught a star in the act of eating an entire planet alive. Not in a simulation, not in theory, in real life, with telescopes pointed straight at it. And here's the terrifying twist. Our own sun is destined to do the same thing, and Earth may be on the menu. The victim? A gas giant planet the size of Jupiter. The killer? A star about 12,000 light-years away in the constellation Aquila. For billions of years, that planet orbited peacefully, circling its parent star in cosmic harmony. But all of that ended in a single catastrophic moment. Telescopes caught the star suddenly flaring 100 times brighter in visible light, then fading into a ghostly infrared glow. It was the signature of destruction. Astronomers pieced it together like detectives at a crime scene. The star had swollen outward, engulfed its planet, and erased billions of years of history in a single gulp. Imagine watching a bonfire swallow a firefly. That's what it looked like. But why do stars turn on their own planets? The answer lies in their life cycle. Stars like our sun are fueled by nuclear fusion, burning hydrogen into helium. But when that fuel runs out, the balance breaks. Gravity squeezes the core, while the outer layers balloon outward into a red giant, a swollen monster hundreds of times larger than the star we once knew. Planets that once orbited safely suddenly face a wall of plasma expanding toward them. Gravity and friction do the rest. The star's atmosphere drags the planet inward, tidal forces rip it apart, and friction ignites the outer layers even brighter. To us, it looks like a violent cosmic flare. To the planet, it's annihilation. So how do we know this wasn't just a random flare? 3 pieces of evidence sealed the case. First, the sudden brightening in visible light. The flare was far too large to be a normal solar storm. Second, infrared telescopes, including NASA's NEOEYES, detected an afterglow of dust. Planetary material vaporized and spread around the star. And third, the sheer energy output matched exactly what you'd expect if a gas giant plunged into a stellar atmosphere. For decades, astronomers predicted this moment would eventually be seen. But actually catching it? That's like filming lightning striking the same tree you were watching. It's precise, it's rare, and it's unforgettable. Here's where it gets personal. Because Earth is headed for the same fate. Our sun is about 4.6 billion years old, middle-aged in stellar terms. In roughly 5 billion years, it too will run out of fuel and balloon into a red giant. Mercury and Venus will be the first to go, swallowed whole without a trace. And then, all eyes turn to Earth. Some models suggest Earth will be dragged directly into the sun's expanding surface. Others hint the expansion might push us outward, sparing us from being swallowed. But don't celebrate yet, because even if Earth survives physically, it won't survive biologically. The oceans will boil, the atmosphere will strip away, and the planet will be left as a scorched, lifeless rock. Whether swallowed or burned, Earth's story ends the same. Think about that. Every memory, every city, every trace of human history, erased in a single stellar heartbeat. So why does watching one distant star's feast matter to us? Because it's not just a discovery, it's a preview. For billions of years, astronomy textbooks have told us stars grow old, turn red, and consume their worlds. But this event transforms prediction into proof. It also raises haunting questions. How many civilizations out there watched their skies dim before their worlds were erased? How many planets, teeming with oceans, mountains, or maybe even life, have already been swallowed in silence? The stars you see twinkling overhead may be hiding ghost stories, entire solar systems gone, erased without a trace. And one day Earth will join that invisible graveyard. A star swallowing a planet is one of the rarest cosmic shows, violent, terrifying, and inevitable. And now, for the first time in history, we've watched it unfold with our own eyes. Our sun is calm today, but 5 billion years from now, it will tell the same story, this time with Earth as the final course. So here's my question for you. If you could move Earth anywhere in the galaxy to save it, where would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe to Beyond Light Years for more weekly cosmic WTFs that make you see the universe in a whole new way.